students, welcome to EduWave online classes. So today we will be learning how to solve simultaneous linear equation by the method of elimination. So let's get started with our first question. The first question that is given, first equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. This is our equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is our equation number 2. Now, let us say, or let us consider that we want to eliminate y. So, here the coefficient of y is 4 and here the coefficient of y is minus 2. So, if we want to make this 4, we have to multiply this entire equation number 2 by 4 on both the sides. Sorry, by 2 on both the sides. So 2 2s are, we get 4x minus 2 2s are 4y and equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. Let us consider that this is our equation number 3. Now what we will do, we will add equation 1 with equation 3. Now you might ask me, why we will add, why will not subtract? So let's see. So while doing this, the first equation is written over here, 3x plus 4y equal to 10. And the third equation is 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Now see, when we add these, here already we have plus 4y and minus 4y that cancel each other. So 4x plus 3x on the LHS gives us 7x and on the RHS 10 plus 4 becomes 14. So x is equal to 14 and 7 will go to the denominator on the RHS. So 7 2s are 14. So the final value of x is 2. Now this value of x, either we are going to replace in equation number 1 or equation number 2, whatever you want to, you do that. I want to put this value of x in equation number 2. So therefore, 2 into x, that is 2, minus 2y is equal to 2. So 2 2s are 4, plus 2 comes on the left becomes minus 2 and minus 2y goes to the right becomes plus 2y. So we can write 2 is equal to 2y. That means y is equal to, this 2 will come and divide this 2. That is 2 upon 2. So 2 2 cancels and the final value of y, we get it as 1. Okay. So it is not necessary that always you have to eliminate y. You might choose to eliminate x as well, but here I have eliminated y. First I have found out the value of x as 2 and then I have replaced this value of x in equation number 2 and we have found out the value of y as 1. Moving on to our second question. It is given x by 6 is equal to y minus 6. This is our first equation. And the second equation is given 3x by 4 is equal to 1 plus y. So first let us try to convert both these equations from fractional form to a single straight line form. So x is equal to, this 6 will be multiplied whole with y minus 6. So we get x is equal to 6y minus 6 6 are 36. Now we bring this 6y on the left side. So we get x minus 6y is equal to minus 36. This is the alternative form of equation number 1. From fractional form we have converted into single straight line form. The same thing we are going to do over here. So 3x is equal to 4 will get whole multiplied with 1 plus y. So we get 3x is equal to 4 into 1, that is 4, plus 4 into y, that is 4y. Now again we are going to bring this y on the 4y on the left side. So 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. This is the alternative form of our equation number 2. We have converted both of them from fractional form into single straight line form. Now, here the coefficient of x is 3, whereas we do not see any coefficient over here. That means the coefficient of x over here is 1. Now, if we want to make this coefficient 1 and convert it into 3, we have to multiply this whole equation by 3 and that too on both the sides. So by doing so, we get 3x minus 6 3s are 18y is equal to 36 into 3 is 108 with a negative sign. And this equation we write as it is. That is 3x minus 4y is equal to 4. Now from this equation that I have written on top, we are going to subtract this equation that I have written at the bottom. So now when we subtract, all these algebraic signs keep on changing. If you do not see any algebraic sign, it means that there is a positive sign. So all positives changes into negatives and all negatives changes into positives. And this happens only for this equation written at the bottom. Nothing happens with the equation written on the top. So 3x minus 3x cancels. Very good. Minus 18y plus 4y. That gives us minus 14y. That is equal to minus 108 minus 4. That is minus 112. Negative on both the sides cancel. I told you, please do not show the cancellation. It looks bad. Just neglect it. So y is equal to 112 upon 14. If you cancel with 14, you get 8. So therefore, the final value of y is 8. So here we have eliminated x and we have found out the final value of y in the beginning. Now this value of y we are going to replace in this equation and find out the value of x. So therefore, x by 6 is equal to y minus 6. What is the value of y? 8 minus 6. So x equal to 8 minus 6 is 2 and this 6 gets cross multiplied. Therefore, the final value of x is 12. Okay? So these are the final values of x and y. So now we move on to our third question. So the first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. And the second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. Let me check the two equations once more. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, 3x plus 4y equal to 5. Very good. Now I want to eliminate x. So I am telling you a shortcut. Here whatever is the coefficient of x, you multiply this entire equation by this coefficient if you want to eliminate x. And here whatever is the coefficient of x, you multiply this entire equation number 2 by this coefficient if you want to eliminate x. And if you want to eliminate y, just apply the logic. With this 4, you multiply this entire equation 1, and with this 3, you multiply this entire equation 2. So since I want to eliminate x, I will multiply this equation number 1 with 3 and equation number 2 with 2. By doing so, what do we get? 2 3s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 9 3s are 27. And here we get 3 2s are 6x plus 4 2s are 8y, 5 2s are 10. Now the values are same and the signs are also same, so we cannot cancel. So if we have to cancel, we have to subtract the second equation from the first. And if we subtract, I already told you in the previous sum that we have to change all these algebraic signs for the second equation. So this will turn into negative, this will turn into negative, and this will also turn into negative. Okay? So now plus 6x minus 6x cancels. 9y minus 8y, that is 1y. So 1y can just be written as y. And 27 minus 10, that is 17. So directly we find out the value of y without any further processing. Now this value of y, let me put in equation number 2 and find out the value of x. So 3x plus 4 into 17 is equal to 5. So 3x plus 17 fours are 68 is equal to 5. So 3x is equal to 5 minus 68, because plus 68 goes to the right, becomes minus 68. So 3x is equal to minus 63. So 3 comes to the denominator on the right hand side and divide 63 21 times. So therefore the final value of x is minus 21. So here first we have eliminated the value of x, we have found out the value of y, and then this value of y we have put in equation number 2 and we have found out the value of x. So I hope you people have understood this explanation quite clearly, and in our next class we will be learning how to solve simultaneous linear equation by the method of cross multiplication. So till then, keep studying. Thank you. Bye bye.